Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. The compound is CH3C is equal to O CH 2. It consists of a methyl group, CH3, a carbonyl group, C is equal to O, and an isopropyl group, CH 2. Moving on to the next step. Identify the principal functional group. The C is equal to O group with no hydrogen attached, ketone, -1 suffix, is the principal functional group. Moving on to the next step. Count the total carbon chain including the ketone carbon. We have CH3, C1, C is equal to O, C2, CH, C3, with 2 CH3 branches at C3. Wait, let me re-examine. The structure is CH3, C, is equal to O, CH, CH3, CH3. The longest chain containing the ketone, C1, CH3, C2, is equal to O, C3, CH, CH3, 2. The CH at position 3 has 2 methyl groups, making the longest chain 4 carbons, CH3, C, is equal to O, CH, CH3, CH3, which is a 4-carbon chain, butanone, with a methyl branch. And for the final step, number the chain to give the carbonyl group the lowest locant. Numbering from the CH3 end closest to C is equal to O, C1 is equal to CH3, C2 is equal to C is equal to O, C3 is equal to CH, C4 is equal to CH3. The other CH3 on C3 is a branch, methyl substituent. The parent chain is butane, 4 carbons, with a ketone at C2, butan, 2-1, and a methyl substituent at C3, 3-methyl. Full IUPAC name is equal to 3-methylbutane, 2-1. A. 2-methylbutane, 3-1. This would place the ketone at C3 and methyl at C2, but numbering should give the carbonyl the lowest number, C2 not C3. B. 3-methylbutane, 2-ul. Ul suffix indicates an aldehyde, but the compound has a ketone, no H on carbonyl carbon. C. 2-methylbutane, 3-ul. Incorrect suffix, aldehyde, and incorrect numbering. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.